Hello everyone, I am Professor Monali Shirsagar. Today we will teach you numerical methods from Engineering Mathematics 3. In this unit, we see interpolation, numerical differentiation and numerical integration. For this, first we see forward differences. The forward difference operator delta is defined as delta f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. If y0, y1, y2 up to yn denotes the set of values of y, then delta y0 is equal to y1 minus y0. Delta y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 plus up to delta yn is equal to yn minus yn minus 1. Here we can calculate the value of delta function of any. For this, first we consider one greater value of the function minus the value of function. This gives the value of delta function, that is the forward difference operator del. Here del is called forward difference operator, and this delta y0, delta y1 up to next are the first forward differences. Now we see the table for forward differences of order first, second, third plus up to the next. Here, if we given the values of x and y, the values of x are from x0 to x4 and values of y from y0 to y4. Then here we can calculate the value of first forward differences. For this we take y1 minus y0. If we take y1 minus y0, this gives the value of delta y0. Then we take the difference between y2 minus y1, then this gives the value of delta y1. Next we take the difference between y3 minus y2, this gives the value of delta y2. And in last we take the difference between y4 minus y3, this gives the value of delta y3. This gives the value of first forward differences. Now we calculate the second forward differences. For this we take the difference between delta y1 minus delta y0. This gives delta square y0. Next we calculate the value of delta y2 minus delta y1. This gives the value of delta square y1. Next we calculate delta y3 minus delta y2. This gives the value of delta square y2. These are the second forward differences. Now we calculate the next. If we take the difference between delta square y1 minus delta square y0, this gives delta cube y0. We calculate this delta square y2 minus delta square y1. This gives the delta cube y1. That is the third forward differences. Now calculate the difference between delta cube y1 minus delta cube y1. This gives the delta raised to 4 y0. That is the fourth forward differences of the given function. In this way we calculate the value of forward difference operator or forward difference of the function. Now we calculate the backward differences. The backward differences we can denote this by del. The backward difference operator del is defined as, here del function is del f of x is equal to f of x minus h. Remember the difference. In forward differences we take the difference f of x plus h minus f of x. This gives the forward difference of the function f of x. Now for backward differences we can calculate f of x minus h. If we given the values of this form y0, y1, y2 up to yn denote the set of values of y, then the value of del y1 is y1 minus y0. Del y2 is equal to y2 minus y1. and up to this del yn we can calculate this by using yn minus yn minus 1. Here this del is called the backward difference operator, and the value del y1 del y2 plus up to del yn n minus 1 are the first backward differences. Now we see how to calculate the values of backward difference table. That is, we calculate first backward differences, second, third, fourth, up to the next. For this, if we given the values of x and y, here we given the values of x from x0 to x4 and value of y from y0 to y4. Now we calculate the first backward differences. For this, if we take the difference between y1 minus y0, this gives delta y1. Take the difference between y2 minus y1, this gives delta y2. We take the difference between y3 minus y2, this gives delta y3. Take the difference between y4 minus y3, this gives delta y4. These are the first backward differences. Now we calculate the second. For this, we take the difference between del y2 minus del y1. This gives del square y2. Then we calculate the difference between del y3 minus del y2. This gives del square of y3. Take the difference between del y4 minus del y3. This gives del square of y4. Now we can calculate the third backward differences. For this, we take del square y3 minus del square y2. This gives del cube y3. We can calculate here del square y4 minus del square y3. This gives del cube y4. These are the third backward differences. Now we calculate the fourth. If we take the difference between del cube y4 minus del cube y3, this gives del raised to 4 y4. These are the fourth backward differences. In this way, we calculate the backward difference values. In this lecture, we see formulas to find forward and backward differences for the function. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.